Hi, I'm Hauke from VOSS Farming. Today I show you why you have to choose the right accessories when building your fence. Accessories form only a small part of the total cost of your fence, but they are of crucial importance since they guarantee the longevity of your fence. The best energizer or conductor material won't help if the accessories are not working properly. When you bake a cake, the quality of the ingredients influences how the cake tastes. Some of the most important ingredients of the fence are connectors, connecting cables, lead-out cables, lightning protection, fence switches and fence testers. Connectors greatly influence the fence conductivity. Normally, one roll of polywire, rope or tape is not enough to build a fence. Therefore, you have to connect the conductors together. Suitable connectors ensure optimum conductivity at the connection point. It is often the case that conductors are simply tied into a knot. We strongly advise against this. In such case, it is impossible to ensure proper connection between the conducting wires, and the fence is no longer adequately supplied with power. The security of the fence is compromised. It is extremely important to always use connectors when repairing a fence, and not to tie knots. Connectors are made from different materials. We always recommend to use stainless steel connectors. These will function even after many years of service and are compatible with all common conductors. We offer suitable stainless steel connectors for every conducting material. Next, it is important to make a good connection between the Energizer and the fence. Special fence connection cables are used for this. These must be high voltage resistant. A good electrical connection between the Energizer and the fence is vital for good conductivity. For permanent fences, we recommend using screwable connection cables made of die-cast aluminium or stainless steel, as these ensure a secure connection to the fence. A good grounding connection is very important for the operation of a fence system. This consists of lead-out cables and ground rods. The earth connection provides a closed circuit in case of animal contact. The better the earth connection, the stronger the electric shock. It is therefore important to note that several grounding rods should be used, depending on the length of the electric fence, and that they should be placed at a sufficient distance of approximately 3 meters from each other. Our grounding saver kits are ideal for this purpose. These have a sufficiently high voltage resistance of up to 20,000 volts, and the rods have a large surface area to ensure excellent ground contact. In order to protect your valuable electric fence system during thunderstorms, we recommend installing lightning protection, especially if you're using a mains Energizer. Lightning protection is installed between the Energizer and the fence and directs the lightning bolt directly into the ground via grounding. Without lightning protection, there is a high risk that the lightning will destroy the Energizer and damage the electrical system of your home. Many insurance companies insist on the installation of lightning protection. We recommend our lightning protector VP10. It can be easily mounted on walls, fences and round posts, and retrofitted into existing fences without any problem. It has particularly large and robust stainless steel terminals. If you're using an Energizer without an on and off switch or have a large fence system, a fence switch is something you need to consider. You can use a fence switch to stop the electricity flowing to your fence without needing to go to the Energizer. Especially if you're using one Energizer to power several fences. A fence switch will make your daily work easier. For this, you can use a switch with 2 fence connections. It is important that a fence switch has high quality contacts that switch reliably and accurately even after many years of use. Our fence switches VS10 and VS30 are very robust and have stainless steel connections. The housing is insulated to withstand high voltage so that the user does not get an electric shock even in damp conditions. Alternatively, you can use a remotely controlled Energizer. The fence can be easily switched on and off from anywhere on the field, and the condition of the fence can be monitored. you can test your work immediately with our handy fence testers. Testers can measure the fence voltage. It should be at least 2000 or 4000 volts depending on the animal. Simple fence testers show you voltage by emitting sound or light. A digital fence tester will give you a more accurate reading. You're always on the safe side with accessories from VOSS Farming. Should you have any questions, please contact our customer service team. Here you will find experts with years of experience. For more tips and tricks about electric fencing, please visit our channel.